Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing in with your Google account so your library syncs across devices. Once done, grant location and storage permissions on your phone to allow downloads and smart recommendations. Make sure to choose free versus premium now. Premium unlocks offline downloads, background playback, and higher quality streaming. You should select a payment method if you opt for premium, then confirm. This initial setup reduces interruptions and ensures your playlists and likes carry over immediately. Now you'll actively build your library by searching for songs, albums, or playlists. Use filters or voice search to speed things up. Once you find music, add tracks to custom playlists or tap the like icon to save to your likes. This trains recommendations. Use the library tabs to view songs, albums, artists, and downloads, and reorganize playlists by dragging or editing metadata. Make sure to enable smart downloads if you want automatic offline suggestions. To finish, control playback with the cue, repeat, and shuffle buttons, and cast to speakers or smart devices when available. For offline use, tap download on albums or playlists and choose streaming quality. Downloaded files appear in downloads. If things go wrong, clear the app cache, update the YouTube Music app, and confirm you're signed into the correct account. If downloads fail, check storage and network settings. Otherwise, restart the device. That fixes most transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.